Hi, today we are going to learn about using inverse trigonometric functions, sine inverse, cos inverse, tan inverse to find angles. Let's look at a problem. Solve round to two decimal places. We have triangle TSR here. Angle S is a right angle. SR is 2 and TR is 14. Find the measure of angle R. This measure we need to find. Now, in order to take this measure, this is the base angle, angle R. Now, the side opposite to the right angle is always the hypotenuse. So, TR becomes the hypotenuse. And the side opposite the base angle is always opposite. So, TS becomes the opposite. And SR becomes the adjacent. Now, I need to use the relation between adjacent and hypotenuse. Let's see the SOHCAHTOA rule. SOHCAHTOA means sine is opposite over hypotenuse, cos is adjacent over hypotenuse, tan is opposite over adjacent. So I need to use adjacent over hypotenuse, which is in the cos rule. So I'll say cos of angle R is equal to SR over TR. So cos of angle R will be 2 by 14. Cos of angle R is equal to 1 by 7 simplified by 2. And taking the inverse of this angle, I can say angle R will be equal to cos inverse 1 by 7. And when I put this into my calculator, I get approximately angle R as 81.79 degrees, which is the answer in the C part. Next problem. Solve round to two decimal places. Triangle ZXY, YZ is 6. This is YZ is the side opposite to the right angle. Therefore, this is the hypotenuse. ZX is 3 and we need to find measure of angle Y. ZX is the side opposite to the base angle, so this becomes opposite. So I need to take opposite and hypotenuse now, which comes in the sine relation SOH. So sine of angle theta will be opposite over hypotenuse. So here sine of angle Y will be ZX over ZY. Or we can also say ZX over YZ. Let me put YZ. So sine of angle Y will be equal to ZX is 3 and YZ is 6. Sine of angle Y will be dividing by 3, 1 by 2. Sine inverse of angle Y will be equal to sine inverse 1 by 2. Sine inverse of sine of angle Y will be equal to sine inverse 1 by 2. Sine and sine inverse are multiplicative inverses of each other, so they become 1, and 1 times angle Y is angle Y only, and sine inverse 1 by 2 becomes sine inverse 1 by 2 becomes 30 degrees. So angle Y is 30 degrees. So B 30 degrees is the answer. Next problem. Solve round to two decimal places. triangle JLK. KL is 1 and JL is 21. Find the measure of angle J. Side opposite to base angle is KL, so this becomes the opposite. This becomes the adjacent, and we can use the relation I have opposite over adjacent as tan of theta. So we'll say tan of angle J will be equal to KL over JL. Tan of angle J is equal to 1 over 21. Angle J is equal to tan of inverse 1 by 21. So angle J is equal to approximately 2.73 degrees, which is the answer I see in the C part. I hope you can practice more problems on using inverse trigonometric functions to find angles now. Thank you for watching. Have a great day. Bye bye.